be on
YouTube? It's Aaron with Siegfried Motorworks, here today with my motor mouth peanut gallery, Kyle and Carly. But at any rate, I'm bringing you a whole pile of reviews today, specifically on these Scorpion eXo Klaw 2 gloves. Springtime's right around the corner. We're stocking up on protective gear so that way we can outfit anyone purchasing new units or pre-owned units from us with a pair of gloves. So at any rate, let's get into these Klaw 2 specifically. I have two different colors. This is the same exact glove. I have a black and I have, they call this silver, although it's actually, no, they do call it white. They have a silver one too, but it's really ugly. At any rate, when you're looking at these gloves, okay, cool, let's do quickly. I'll talk about the white one just so you can see the contrast of all the armor on the glove. Scorpion, this is their higher end glove. This is more of a track style of glove, more sport bike oriented. Not to say you can't wear this on a scooter, cruiser, four-wheeler, whatever you want, but this is more sport oriented riding glove. When you're dealing with this Klaw 2, this has a really nice heavy duty armor on your knuckles. The leather is what's actually going to do the protecting on your fingers. This is not necessarily the best glove to wear in a warm day. Not to say you can't wear it. It will breathe, but it's not going to breathe like a textile glove would. This glove, these are available for purchase. They're somewhere in the $65 range. Let me see those. So you can see. Textile glove like this, you can obviously see a lot thinner, a lot flimsier. These are obviously going to breathe a lot better, but this is going to do a lot better job protecting your hands. At any rate, like I was saying, these do have a lot of protection. They have a nice pad for your palm and also a lot of armor all around for any kind of impact point. They are Velcro adjustable, and in addition to that too, for simple and safe storage, you can attach them together, makes them nice, keeps them together, because there's nothing worse in this world than having only one glove. These are available in sizes extra small all the way up through 3X. We stock a full size run here. You can get these from any Scorpion Scorpion eXo dealer. You can also get them online from abundance of places. One thing to keep in mind when you are purchasing a glove, specifically when you're purchasing a leather glove, is that these gloves will expand from the day you purchase them. Buy these gloves that they're a little bit too snug for your hand. Within 2 to 3 weeks of regular riding, this glove will fit perfect and it will stay that way. But at any rate, thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, hit the like button, leave a comment, let us know what you think of these Scorpion eXo Klaw 2 gloves, hit the subscribe button, and if there's any product that you'd like our opinion on, let us know what that is. We'll try and get it in, we'll test it out, and we'll tell you exactly what you think of it. But anyways, thank you again for watching and have a great rest of your day.